Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss programming an encoder in Python. What is encoding? Each character in the string is translated into number and the entire string is stored as a sequence of binary numbers in computer memory. In early days of computing, different designers and manufacturers use different encoding. It's big headache for people transferring data between different systems. To avoid this sort of problem, computer systems today use the industry standard encodings. One important standard is called ASCII. ASCII uses the numbers 0 to 127 to represent the characters. Example, the uppercase letter A to Z are represented by the values 65 to 90 and the lowercase versions have codes 97 to 122. One problem with the ASCII encoding, as its name implies, is that it is American centric. It does not have symbols that are needed in many other languages. Most modern systems are moving to the support of Unicode, a much larger standard that includes support for the characters of nearly all written languages. Newer version of Python includes support for Unicode as well as the ASCII. The ORD function returns the numeric means ordinal code for the single character string, while char does the other direction. See the example here. Code for the single character string. While char goes the other direction. ORD open bracket in the codes A close the bracket, we are getting 97 means ORD function returns the numeric code for a single character string, means you have to give only single character for ORD. This is the ASCII value. Next one is char. We have to give 97. If we give 97, character A will get. Next, capital letter ORD. See here, as I told, capital letter A start from 65 and ends with 90, means capital letters are ends with 90. Small letters 97 to 122. Char 90, it gives the result Z. Next, programming an encoder. So we have to open the file, ideally file. Then our program is a program to convert a textual message into sequence numbers using ASCII encoding. It goes outside the window, so I am giving this next line. Okay, these are two comment lines. Next, def main, defining the main, open and close colon. Next, get message to encode from input device. This is the statement to get the message. Please enter the message to encode. Input statement. Next one bar print I will give for next line. Next one, print statement to print the message on output screen. Here are ASCII codes. Next one is for loop for ch in message. String is a kind of sequence, so loop through all character of the message. Next one, print ordch. It print out the ASCII values ORD. Comma is used here to print all on one line. Comma and end space to print all in 3.x of the Python. Then we have to save the file. Notice that this result is that even the space character has a corresponding ASCII code. It is represented as 32 space character, and capital letters are less than 90. See the result. Welcome to Python tutorials. My result is like this. 32 is the space value. Next, capital letters all are less than 90, W and P. This is the output from our program encoder. Thank you.